The romantic name Tilapia, name enchine ni awia kan ma no be ba we ti se mampamata so a ende ye friend Koobi. Ewom se Koobi enye doctor nanso otimi esa enkwan ne agbomu a omudwonku ene omapantan ahojohojo etimi emomu gina opintin. Awamuwa, kontomrewa, nyadowa, okuruwa, omunyina di adanse se omanhia Koobi a na koma wode eguwe. Ever since I heard that some people use some dirty chemicals to preserve to make Koobi no, ehwa pe na me fa me ho adwene kan se, ewo se mia me Koobi. Koobi ye simple. Eno na me be kire kwan fa so ni. You can make your own Koobi within 3 days if you are in a hurry, or if you are not in a hurry, you can use 7 or 6 days to make your own Koobi. All you need is your sunshine, salt. If you don't have sunshine in your area, pray to God. Obebrobi. I have already made some videos on how to make your Koobi, but that method is Kwame Nkrumah and Yasantua method. This one is Nanu ya no kofa ba yo pungunum. Seeing is believing and listening is entertaining. That is the philosophy behind my videos. So this is the final stage. After everything, find something round or rectangular in shape. It is advisable not to use glass. And then see Koobi niti ase. After seeing the Koobi niti nase no, cover it for 3 days, only 3 days. After 3 days, we are going to open the cover. This one, it is not going to smell because of the salt. It is not going to smell. Then most of the water from the Koobi has, I'm saying, asoniagu adenase, and the salt too has melted to become water. So throw this water away. It is not needed. After the 3 days, don't cover it again. Add Koobi debidiano. Fanchrini bi fanchrini bi srasra ho, and then leave it in open. Let the sun shine na nkasa. Then sinitia sibium said ye na first fan we ye no. Ensuo bi akam bia no ebesa dry. Within 3, 4, 5, 6 days, ebe ba we